Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Last time I discussed the things you needed to know about programs. Today, I will teach you the things you need to learn about applications. This is the last episode on my 5-series video about computer memory and memory management. Be sure to check out the previous videos and click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell to get notified for my next upcoming series. We all have heard the word application before. These days, app or application is commonly used in computers and mobile phones. But what is it all about? An application is any program, or group of programs, that is designed for the end user. Application software, also called end-user programs, include such things as database programs, word processors, web browsers and spreadsheets. Figuratively speaking, applications sit on top of system software because they are unable to run without the operating system and system utilities. System software consists of low-level programs that interact with the computer at a very basic level. This includes operating systems, compilers, and utilities for managing computer resources. Many people use the words app and application interchangeably, but purists will tell you that the two are slightly different. App is used to describe a type of application that has a single functionality, whereas an application may handle a number of functions. The word application is used because each program has a specific application for the user. For example, a word processor can help a student create a research paper, while a video game can prevent the student from getting the paper done. In contrast, system software consists of programs that run in the background, enabling applications to run. These programs include assemblers, compilers, file management tools, and the operating system itself. Applications are said to run on top of the system software, since the system software is made up of low-level programs. While system software is automatically installed with the operating system, you can choose which applications you want to install and run on your computer. Applications use system software for access to basic hardware resources, such as memory, storage and other utilities. For example, an application relies on system software for access to the file system to manage and store files. Macintosh programs are typically called applications, while Windows programs are often referred to as executable files. This is why Mac programs use the app file extension, while Windows programs use the X extension. Though they have different file extensions, Macintosh and Windows programs serve the same purpose and can both be called applications. Now that you've gained some information of what application is, now let me discuss its types. Applications can vary in many ways, including how they're built, what platform they run on, whether they are open source or proprietary, or for which market they are used. For example, a mobile application developer writes their code as a native, web or hybrid application, and these terms can also describe desktop applications. The developer codes a native application to run on specific hardware, such as a camera or GPS, and in the same programming language as the underlying OS. For example, the Photos application on Mac OS X is written in Objective-C, the same language that Mac OS X uses. An end user typically accesses a web application via a web browser, such as Google Chrome. A developer can write web applications in several languages, including JavaScript, CSS and HTML, but they cannot access the hardware on which the application is installed. Hybrid applications have APIs that can access device resources, similar to a native application, but are typically written in languages such as HTML and CSS. Additionally, developers often code mobile applications to work on a specific device platform. Applications can also be grouped into categories by licensing style. Proprietary software programs, such as Adobe Photoshop, are applications that are owned under copyright. End users can buy or license proprietary applications through the vendor providing the software. They cannot modify these applications. They can only add functionality to them via third-party add-ons. Open source applications, such as WordPress, provide the source code for end users and developers to use and modify. Software companies and individual developers typically make open source applications freely available under a generic or public license, such as GNU. A developer or team of developers can create an application for a specific vertical market. A vertical application typically serves a specific industry or departmental need, such as a medical billing system. By contrast, a horizontal application, such as a word processor or web browser, applies to a wide range of industries. The importance of application software is same like all other important software. These assigned to perform a well-maintained function, task or activity for the benefit of a user. You can think how difficult your life would if these simple functions are not in our daily life. They help us to perform many various tasks. They can be more important than any local software. You can only imagine that if you have only system software but not any application software, and how would you perform your daily task, like how can you prepare your presentation, Word document, Excel presentation, worksheet and MS Access. If these applications you cannot use, then how will your daily life function? Memory management is one of the most important features of the operating system because it affects the execution time of process directly. As we know, that the execution time of the process directly depends upon the availability of data in the main memory. Therefore, an operating system must perform its memory management in such a form that the essential data is always present in the main memory. An effective memory management system ensures the accuracy, availability, and consistency of the data imported from the secondary memory to the main memory. Computer memory is essential for all modern computers to both hold the software run by the computer, or to store and manipulate the data or information as required by the software. Even a bare central processing unit has forms of memory within it, computer registers that hold very small amounts of utterly fast data or cache memory, which speeds up working with data in the main computer memory. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to check out the previous videos if you haven't checked them out. Click the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notified when I post another video. Thanks.